Jamaica's first adult transitional facility for homeless persons has been opened in downtown Kingston. The state-of-the-art facility was officially opened on Friday by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. The King Street-based facility was transformed from an abandoned dental office into a modern homeless center. The Prime Minister says the new facility, which will operate on a 24-hour basis, will set an example of the high quality of care that poor and vulnerable citizens deserve.
Homelessness is a devastating, dangerous, and isolating reality for too many Jamaicans. It is anticipated that this facility will set an example of service excellence with regard to the improved care offerings to the poor and vulnerable.
Pointing out that over 60% of Jamaica's homeless population is in Kingston and St. Andrew, Mr. Holness says there are plans to increase the facility's capacity. In its current state, it can house 40 occupants, and the intention is to add another floor and increase the capacity to 100. The transitional living facility is named in honor of local government minister Desmond McKenzie, who first began advocating for such a development when he was councillor and mayor of Kingston. Minister McKenzie expressed happiness that the dream is finally a reality.
This is what we need to do to respond to the plight of these people. Many of them, Prime Minister and colleagues, contribute to the growth and development of Jamaica. Many of them were taxpayers. We're putting in a therapeutic park. We're putting in facilities here that they can come and enjoy the comfort of a home because they deserve to be remembered for the role they play.